dreams that you could don't do, could you don't do, could you want don't do, could you.
So I guess I wasn't recording. I just talked the whole time and it was just a photo. But my car's been giving me some issues. Like I said, the gauges have been going crazy. The thermostat stuff, just a bunch of electrical issues, and the battery's about 4.5 years old, so I'm guessing it's the battery. So I was told from a couple friends, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a battery test on it, oil change, and let's see what we can figure out what's going on. All right, stay tuned. All right, so we are in here. It's a little bit loud, but we're gonna go ahead and check this out. Hopefully I can find out what the issue is. Here she blows, people. I just wanna know what's going on. Get these gauges fixed. I want her fixed. Not the smartest move, Chevy, to put this in the trunk. But hopefully we figure it out. And then she needs a bag. All right, so we got some results.
See, that's how much cold crank caps it has, and that's how much it should have.
So it should have 720.
Yes, 720. But right now it's 500.
But where's the battery allowed to go? Like, I mean, could it be like? What if it was 300? Could it get that low, or just saying?
It can get that low. It really can, but it's still able to start. That's why it has a slow start. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it doesn't have that much. It should have.
Yeah. All right, so readings show that the battery sucks bad. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go ahead and tighten this back. All right, again, it's hot and I'm sweating, but we come to find out it was the battery the whole time. It is definitely the battery, because it's even messing with the oil pressure sign. Left my glasses. Appreciate it. Oh yeah, that thing sounded like a V8 for real. Ooh. Right-hand drive Jeep. What the hell is that? I didn't even notice. I was like, wait, what the hell? Right-hand drive Jeep. That's what's up. I need one. She's running for now. I gotta get that AutoZone battery in pretty soon. Alright, let's get in the car. I wanna know how many people seen a right-hand drive Jeep, because I haven't. Hurry up. Right-hand drive Jeep. That's pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool. I never seen it. Trying to drive and hold a camera at the same time. So he just tried to do a all-wheel drive, four-wheel drive burnout in the water. And broke his shifting cable. So for you Jeep guys, let's not try that. All-wheel drive burnout, all right, so we're gonna go ahead and change my oil. We identified the issue with all the electronics, the battery going dead. Again, GM battery in a Chevy 2013 Chevy Camaro 2SS RS. It's been in there since factory, so that is 5 years if you guys can't do the math. I know my windows are dirty, my oil change sticker needs to change, but we're gonna go ahead and handle that pretty soon. All right, let's go check up on him, see how that's coming along. What fuckery he has got himself into. Breaking the Jeep and shit.
Yeah. Back in action.
Boom. And that's how you fix it. As quick as that. God damn it. I'd have had to call AAA and shit. Like, I'm stuck. Right-hand drive Jeep, guys. What you think? And then you got the big ass axe in there and shit, like you're trying to kill somebody.
Yeah, man. And I got a freaking show on the back.
Oh Lord.
I would roll up your window if I was you.
Let's see what he got. Let's see if he can do it. Hey, I can show you. I can show you.
Yeah, I bet.
All right, let's see, guys. Again, we're gonna go ahead and try this all-wheel drive burnout. Again, excuse the dirty window. We'll go out the sunroof.
Yeah.
Oh, you doing it or I was doing it?
What? I'm recording.
Huh?
I'm recording.
Turn traction control off.
Yeah, traction control. Oh, come on.
Oh.
Dang, we was on camera too, bruh.
I hit the clutch rather than the brake.
Oh, dang. Want me to show you how to do it?
Yes, man. No one's there, right?
Nah. There, folks. Yeah, man. Oh,
Now imagine me doing that shit at the house.
shit.
Because I put it right under the hole. Right here.
Oh.
And that's when it shot out. I was like, God damn it. And it was so hot. I was like, man, fuck. I was pissed. So I fucked up the environment and I just took the garden hose and sprayed that shit down. Now my grass won't grow back and I wonder why.
What?
Hell yeah.
Oh, man. Oh, you did it in the grass. Oh, you pulled
No, I
it.
did it in the driveway and I just sprayed it out in the grass.
Okay.
Ooh, all black. That's sexy.
That is nice.
Do it for Wakanda.
See, that is enough. Yeah, that's a lot of oil.
Yeah, this shit takes a lot. I had to buy two of the big jugs, and then of course it only took like 1.5 of it.
Yeah.
But it was like, God damn it. And then so the dealership charges me what, $70 to change the oil. Walmart the mobile one, it comes up to $60 in oil and $10 for the filter. So it's $70 anyways.
Yeah.
So I'm like, fuck it. I'm just gonna do it myself. I was like, man, I wanted to do it myself. I was like, now I'm gonna be sweaty for $70 out of pocket while I could just go to the dealership and give them $70 and let somebody else get dirty.
Oh, damn.
But when I dropped my car to the dealership a couple times, that shit come back and have like 70 miles on it. I be like, look, what the fuck?
What?
What kind of oil? Yeah, I was like, what kind of oil? Like, what kind of driving test the fuck y'all doing to my car?
I mean, you shouldn't do no freaking test drive with oil, just a oil change.
That shit be having 70 miles on it. I'm like,
You
oh.
dropped the car there?
I dropped the car off and I took a picture of my miles. Just in case, because I heard people getting fucked up. I took a picture of it and I came back and it had almost 70 miles on it. I was like, yep.
Oh.
I said, somebody drove my shit to Lakeland and back.
Did you tell him though?
All right, people, and that easy. Oil change is complete. I'm not killing myself, so the wife can't kill me. Like last time when the tire freaking failed, or the Walmart 2-ton jack failed, and almost killed me. Put that tire down. And here she comes. When you change the tires? They should be low because when I went to the track, I put them down to like 30. No, I put them down to like 25, 30s. Put some air in the tire before 32. 32. We'll keep them up at what, 35? Almost there. Tip, are you good? Oh.
What the fuck?
That's another man. You want me to hold the tip or you got it? You know how to do this, right? You gotta go head first. Babe, I got this. I'm just putting some oil in the car.
Acorns?
I think so. Sound good.
What you mean? You think so?
I don't know. I be guessing on shit. I just know, like, at home I got the big bottle, so I don't know. Maybe we could stop halfway and check.
Oh, I got 7.
Or if not, then we could just drain it. Fuck it. Either she blows or she blows. She lives. All right. Oh. Done here is getting some gas. Look how much it took to fill up. That is the cheapest I have ever seen. That is only 14 gallons. Would you like a receipt? No. Thank you. Let's look at it. Alright, so I got the car clean. I don't know what that button's for, but I got the car clean. And now we are done with that, so it's time to take it home. I know I didn't show you guys everything, but the oil has changed. I figured out what was going on with it. Oh, that's a finger. And now we're good to go. All right, thanks you guys for watching. Don't forget, like my videos, subscribe, comment below. I'm gonna get some more content in pretty soon. Thank you.